Have a pleasant day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Jenny Morelio, 35 years old. I live in Glan, Sarangani Province, Philippines, and I am undergraduate in college with a course of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, and I am single parent of two kids, 17 and 12 years of ages. My work experience was in Oman, Muscat. I worked there for 9 years and one employee. My main course there or main duty there is to look after the kids. There are four kids in my madam house. And of course, especially I'm the one who look after the newborn baby. And of course, I'm the one also doing all the household there, like cleaning, washing, laundry, ironing, and of course, I'm also the one who watering the plant because they have a small farm there. And I'm also taking care of cat and chickens. If I'm give you if you give me a chance to serve you, I'll do my best to do my work and I'll be trustworthy and respectful and I'm willing to learn everything in your country. Thank you and God bless.